How to launch a HuFi holding campaign. To begin, connect your wallet. Ensure your wallet has sufficient funds to pay gas fees for creating the campaign and to fund the campaign itself. Once your wallet is connected, the Launch Campaign button will become available. Before you proceed, make sure you have staked some HMT tokens. You can do this through our staking dashboard. If you see a green checkmark, it means your staking is already complete. Next, under Campaign Type, select Holding Campaign and click Continue. Here, choose the exchange where you want participants to hold your token. For this demo, we'll select MEXC Global and use ZIN as the token symbol. Now, set the start and end dates for your campaign. These dates are based on your local time zone, and the campaign duration must be at least 1 day long. Let's select October 20th to October 21st. We'll fund the campaign using HMT tokens. For this demo, the fund amount will be small. Let's set the daily balance target to 15 ZIN tokens, meaning all participants must maintain this balance to receive the full daily reward, which is the total holding target to be achieved by all participants together. Once all fields are filled out, click Create Campaign. You'll then need to approve 3 transactions. Here's what happens during those 3 transactions. The first creates an escrow. The second funds it with the amount you specified. The third finalizes the escrow setup with all the necessary campaign details, such as the manifest. Once all 3 transactions are confirmed, your campaign is successfully launched. You can then visit the campaign details page to monitor its progress. And that's it. You've successfully launched a holding campaign on the HuFi Dashboard.